Most people still think AI is just ChatGPT. You type in a question, it gives you an answer, and that's the whole thing. But that's only the first layer. The next shift is AI agents. An AI agent is not just something that answers you, it is software that can take a goal, break it into steps, use tools, search information, make decisions, and help you get something done. Here's a simple example. Let's say you want to plan a trip to New York. Normally, you would open a bunch of tabs, compare flights, check hotel prices, look up neighborhoods, build an itinerary, check the weather, and try to stay under budget. But with an AI agent, you could be on your phone and say, plan me a 4-day trip to New York next month for under $1,500. Then instead of just giving you generic advice, the agent starts working. It searches flights, compares hotels, checks neighborhoods, builds a day-by-day itinerary, and checks the weather. And finally, it brings everything back in one organized plan. AI is moving from answer my question to help me complete the task. This channel is for people who want a clear North Star. Subscribe, and I'll help you make sense of it. I'll break down what's real, what's hype, and how this changes everything.